Ready for a change? These 20 modern shags will transform your look. Soft layered medium shag. This versatile style is ideal for women over 40 looking to effortlessly enhance natural waves while softening sharp jawlines. Texturized short bob shag. Perfect for women with fine hair who need immediate crown volume and a chic, low-maintenance daily alternative. Wispy long shag with bangs. An excellent choice for retaining hair length while removing heavy bulk and framing mature facial features beautifully. Edgy pixie shag. Best suited for bold women over 40 wanting a modern, youthfully energetic crop that accentuates eyes and cheekbones. Classic wolf cut shag. Designed for thick hair types that require strategic weight distribution and dynamic movement throughout the layers. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Curly shag with voluminous bangs. The perfect match for naturally curly hair texture to prevent the dreaded pyramid shape and boost natural curl definition. Razor cut choppy shag. Tailored for women seeking a modern edge with maximum texture that flatters oval and heart-shaped faces. Shoulder-length shag with curtain bangs. Highly recommended for softening round faces by drawing attention to the eyes and creating a balancing vertical illusion. Mid-length shag with wispy layers. Ideal for everyday wearability, providing a subtle texture that requires minimal hot tools to look perfectly styled. Shaggy Lob with side bangs. A great option for women over 40 who wish to visually minimize a high forehead while maintaining a sleek silhouette. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Heavily layered short shag. Perfect for maximizing the texture of short hair, creating a youthful crown lift that flatters mature facial features. Feathered face framing shag. Designed to soften strong cheekbones and add a touch of timeless elegance with lightweight, airy strands. Textured medium shag with micro bangs. A bold and youthful choice that shifts emphasis to the eyebrows and eyes, lifting the entire appearance. Straight textured long shag. Excellent for transforming flat, straight hair into a dynamic look packed with texture, body, and modern movement. Shaggy Asymmetrical Bob. A great asymmetrical style that interrupts facial symmetry to clever camouflage wrinkles and signs of aging. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Volume-boosting crown shag. Specially crafted for thinning hair at the top, building maximum density and effortless bounce where it is needed most. Wavy Lob Shag with highlights. Recommended for creating high visual dimension, making hair look multi-toned, thicker, and deeply texturized. Wispy Shaggy Pixie Cut. The perfect solution for busy women over 40 wanting an effortless wash-and-go look that maintains a feminine touch. Long shag with wispy curtain bangs. Superb for framing long or oblong face shapes, adding required width and balanced texture to the sides. Modern classic mid shag. The gold standard anti-aging haircut that effortlessly suits every hair type and face shape perfectly. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments.